Here are some exercises for getting the most out of your brush pen. Start off by seeing how, if you hold the pen upright, you can get a really thin line, and if you hold it more flat, you can get a thicker line. Start by trying to draw a series of lines that go from thick to thin. Then try a column of short, thick lines and a column of short, thin lines. Now try some waves and see how, if you push the pen down harder, you can get thick lines, and when you push it down lighter, you get thinner lines. Now do a series of dots, all bunched up in one corner and spreading out as you go further along the page. This is quite a good way to shade sometimes. Next, try out some small circles and some larger circles. Some of them can be thick and some of them can be thin. Put them really close together. Sketch out your chosen image or symbol with pencil first, and then go over it with your brush pen. It looks good sometimes if you do a really thick line around the outside. Then divide the inside of the shape into different areas, and in each area use some of the patterns that you just created to fill in. Use a combination of thicker and thinner lines in your drawing. And also have a go at filling in some of the areas completely, because this will make your image stand out. Don't forget to rub out the pencil after you've finished.